All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still going over the encrypted private key in Python section of that module. So the next step will be to transform our private key into an ETH account. To do this, we're going to use a library that is going to help encrypt it for us. In this section, we will go over the process of implementing a library that we'll be using to transform our private key into an ETH account. When we installed the W3.py package, it came with a tool called ETH account. This ETH account tool is what we are going to use to encrypt our private data for us. And this is how we'll implement the tool and input into our code. We will say from ETH account, import account. Then we'll initialize it into our code like this. We'd have my account equals account dot from key. And we're going to pass in a parameter of private key. And then we will want to create a password for using the line of code. Password equals get.password. And again, this is how we actually went over our password prompting yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to open up our contract again. But first, I'm going to show you how we actually encrypted our private key and how we assigned it to a password so that we can't decrypt it unless we enter the password. So yeah, I'll do that for you tomorrow. I'll run the code. I'll attempt to run the code live. And if we can't run it live, then we'll just get in the pre-compile it, and then I'll go over the steps and everything we did to set the password. So look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.